The laptop is probably lagging or running slow again and again. But today, I'll break down exactly why this happens and how you can fix that permanently. Hello everyone, I am Mandy and I collaborate with Shopinverse to bring you simple tech tips that make your life way easier. No fluff, no complicated jargon, just straight solutions that actually work. Now the first reason being too many startup programs. When system boots, a bunch of unnecessary app launches automatically. Now here's how to fix that. On your keyboard, you're gonna go ahead to type in Control Shift key plus Escape. It's gonna open up the Task Manager, and right here you're gonna scroll down and look for Startup Apps. Once you see this, click on it. You're gonna see some apps that start up immediately. You turn on your system. So what you're gonna do is, whichever one you know you don't use very well or you don't recognize, you can just click on Disable. For example, I'm gonna click on Xbox. I'm going to take it from Enable, toggle it to Disabled. Most of these apps aren't essential for your system to start up, so you can just disable the ones you don't use daily. Once you do this, your laptop will boot much faster and feel smoother from the start. Desktop is storage cleanup. Well, this isn't just about running out of space. It's about a cluttered up hard drive, slowing down everything your computer wants to read. The system accumulates a whole load of old digital trash, web data, temporary files, over from failed updates. This junk forces your computer to search through a gigantic pile of unnecessary data just to find the one file it needs. Here's how you can fix that. On your laptop, click on Windows plus I to open up your system storage. Here you will see how your space is being used from your app, documents, temporary files. Now just click on temporary files to open that up. These are leftover files that your system creates for updating softwares, installing apps, or running some program. So you can just mark most of them, for example, thumbnails, recycle bin, or Windows cleanup. Just whatever you feel is not useful, just mark it up. And ever ones you still want to keep, make sure you unmark them. Then you scroll up and click on remove files, and this will automatically remove the file instantly and create more space to enable your system run more smoothly. Finally, we tackle background app processing. These ones are the programs that secretly run after your computer is turned on. It uses up your memory and your CPU power. So this is why your laptop might start fast sometimes, and after like an hour it starts feeling very sluggish. It's because a handful of apps are running background processes just to check for updates, sync data, or probably send notifications. Here's how you can fix that. Open up your Task Manager again, and then the first thing you see at the top is the Processes tab. Scroll down a bit and you'll notice all the apps currently running in the background or in your background. Yeah, so probably way more than you expected, right? Yeah, now if you see any apps you're not using or you don't really need, all you have to do is just click on it and hit End Task. Be careful to not end anything with Windows or system processes, because these are the things that enable your system or your laptop run properly. And yes, these are the things you need to do to get your laptop flying fast and working faster. If you tried all this and the issues still persist, then you should consider upgrading your RAM. Your RAM is your computer's workspace. If it's too small, everything slows down. Increasing your RAM is often the most effective way to turn an older, slow laptop to a very fast and a modern one. So if your laptop is doing better now, these 3 simple fixes did the trick. Please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more guides like this. Enjoy.